YouTube friends, it's Elizabeth J with an S. And I wanted to talk about my next subscription in the Moroccan Tile Afghan Club through Annie's Kits Club. Now I know I haven't posted a video in a really long time, and there is a reason for that. What happened was I did not get kit number 6. So this is kit number 5, the items that I made for kit number 5. 2 tiles, and this is what they look like. And there were 3 of this and 3 of this. So I've made those quite a long time ago, and I was waiting for kit number 6, and it never came and never came and never came. I got all the kits all the way up to kit 10, and kit number 6 never came. So it was really easy. I just emailed their customer service. I told them I never got kit number 6, and they sent me out another one. I finally have it, and I now am able to progress. Now, the reason why I wasn't able to continue with kit 7 was that it needed yarn from kit 6, which was a new color. So anyway, I had to stop, which is fine. I have other works in progress that I was able to work on and do other things, but I had to pause. But now we're back on track. I have all the kits, so there's no slowing down here. So this is kit number 6. We're going to take a look at it and take a look at the yarns, and then I'll just go from there. So these are the 5 colors that come, well, 4 colors, the 5 skeins or balls or whatever it is you want to call them that come in kit number 6. So this is indigo. I already have some indigo left over, so I'll use this up first and then start with this one. This is cerulean, and I have cerulean left over from another kit, so I'll use this first and then start with that. And then, of course, the cream, which I do have some cream that I used that I haven't finished, so I'll use this cream first and then go with that. And then this is the new color that was the problem color because it's also used in kit 7, and that is honey. And it wasn't included in kit 7 because I think you only need a small amount in each of the kits, so I think they're only giving 1 honey colored skein for the project. So those are the colors, and so I have some left over. Like I said, I'll continue those. So this is kit number 6. That to the side. And so in kit number 6, we'll be making square number 4. I'm going to zoom in, and then we'll take a look a little bit closer. So this is square 4. I am going to be using some other colors that I can see here. I'll need some saffron, aquamarine, and Mediterranean, so I'll just pull those. I have some leftovers from those bits, and I'll use that because this is definitely saffron right there. So there's the honey in the center. So they only use a small amount, I think. So this is square 4, so I'm going to make 3 of these squares, and then this is square 5, and I'm going to make 3 of these squares. So that is kit 6, making these squares. And then let's take a look at the whole Afghan. So I have made this, all the corners, and I've made these 2 with the blue centers. That was kit 5. And now this is kit 6, these. And so they're repeated around here in some of the other places. So let me just grab all the different yarns that I'm going to use, and I'll just say 1 or 2 more things, and then we'll move on. And I will show you what I've finished so far. I'll just put like a still picture of what I've finished so far in this through kit 5. Okay, so these are all the different colors that I'm going to use for kit number 6. I know that's really small, but anyway, so square 4 is going to use the honey, the saffron, the cream, the cerulean, and the indigo. And square 5 is going to use the, I think this one's aquamarine. Let me just see, or Mediterranean. This is Mediterranean. The aquamarine, the cream, and the indigo. So you can see that the honey is used in a very small amount, which is why they don't send you more in kit number 7. It's suggested that you use a 5.5mm crochet hook. This is the one that I've been using. This is an I size if you go by letter, or number 9, or a 5.5mm crochet hook. And so I just use what's recommended for the kit, and it comes out really nice. As you can see here, it comes out the right size. If I were to measure this, and I don't have a ruler handy, so I'm not going to, it tells you exactly what the square size should be, which is 7.25 inches across. And so if you use the hook that they suggest, then you'll get the right size hook. Yeah, so that's what's happening in kit number 6. And now I'll insert a still picture of what the Afghan looks like as far as what I've done up until this point. So I'll see you around again once I've finished kit 6, and I will then go on to kit number 7. Have a really great day.